Hello friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making a Skyline chili dip. For this easy recipe, we just need 3 ingredients. We need a chili can with no beans. This is a 15-ounce can. You can, if you can find the original Skyline chili can, it would be great. But if not, any chili that says no beans. And we have a block of cream cheese. This is 8 ounces. And we have 8 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm going to take this baking dish. It's a 8x8 square baking dish. And by the way, before making the video, I preheated the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This dip will be warmed up in the oven. So I'm going to spread cream cheese on the bottom of this dish. And to make it easier to spread, just take cream cheese out of the fridge for about an hour before so it softens. And next add the chili. Just pour it straight out of the can. And spread it. And finally, add the whole package of shredded cheese. It's gonna be awesome. All this cheese and chili. Imagine how good it tastes. Perfect. And now let's put it in the oven. So we have an oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And bake it until the cheese is melted and everything is heated through. Now the Skyline chili dip has been baking for 20 minutes in a 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, and it's ready. So you just know that it's ready when the cheese is fully melted and it's bubbling. So if it's not melted, just cook it some more until it's hot. Perfect. This looks amazing. I'm so excited about trying it. And now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. So this is served with chips. And let's see. Wow, look at that dip. So there's a layer of melted cheddar. And there's a layer of chili and the cream cheese on the bottom. And of course with the chips, it all gets mixed. So good. It tastes as good as it looks. This is amazing. This is going to be a hit at every party. This is a perfect, easy 3-ingredient appetizer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!